Let's take a quick look at this 1985 Chevy C10 available here at Rolling Museums. Paint is in nice driver quality condition. What I like to call a nice father and son project. She got a set of 20-inch American racing wheels. Interior's in excellent condition. She got a 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Gotta love a little old C10. It can be a nice work truck or a nice restoration project. Bed is in good shape. She has power windows, power locks. Absolutely beautiful, guys. Check out that dash. Hard to find a C10 with a dash in this condition. She reads a little over 90,000. Let's see how she runs. She fired right up. Engine bay is nice and stock. That's the 305 cubic inch 5-liter V8. GM put this in a lot of cars and trucks. I like to call that running like a sewing machine. So what y'all think of this C10? I like her a lot.